A lot of agencies tend to keep HR in a separate system, training on a spreadsheet and recruitment in an inbox, and none of them talk to each other or to the wider management system. In CareOS, your whole team sits in one place. Let me show you. Here we have the team members section. The alerts along the top are the first thing you will see, and they'll tell you what needs action today before you go looking for it yourself. Here is an example of a staff member. You open the staff member, everything about them is on one record. We have their compliance status, their application, their visits, their availability, any leave, any appraisals, and any other relevant documents or forms. No more hunting through folders the week before an inspection. Next, we have the training matrix. There we go. The training matrix gives you the whole workforce at a glance. The green is in date, the amber is expiring, and the red needs attention now. You'll be able to see the gaps before an inspector does. Next, we have the skills matrix. Now the skills matrix shows us who can do what and to what level. This is not just only a record for your benefit, this is a data our smart rota draws on, where it matches the right carer to each client. Next, we have appraisals. Appraisals are all tracked in the same place. Anyone overdue is flagged automatically, so a missed annual review never slips past the care manager. Next, we have the leave section. Leave runs here too. Any requests, anything that's approved, anything that's projected. A clear view of who's off and when. Finally, last, and definitely not least, we have recruitment management under applications. Here, applications shows everyone in your pipeline. If you approve someone, their details move straight onto a team member record, no rekeying. Let me show you what an application looks like and how it ends up on this system. Settings, registration templates, and let's say you were hiring for a healthcare assistant. This is the appropriate application form you've built on our system. And finally, there's a public link you can copy, send to them, and this is what the application looks like. And once filled in, it will end up straight back onto the Applications tab. And there we have it. One place for your whole team. When an inspector asks to see your workforce, how long will it take you to pull it all together?